Hello all lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all five beauty slash makeup hacks that I have learned through the years which actually work for me. I don't know about you guys, but I know everybody's skin preferences and makeup ideas and visions are pretty different, but I feel these 5 makeup or beauty hacks have actually transformed my way of doing things. So if you want to know these hacks, please continue watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would be so good. I would feel grateful. So please continue watching this video. This first beauty, or I can say it's like a skincare hack, is this micellar water. Okay, Kartika, like micellar water. Micellar water generally removes makeup, so what's so cool about that, right? So I use it as a skincare remedy for my acne prone skin. As you can see, I have a lot of marks. It used to be worse. I have cystic acne, but coming to Dubai, I guess the dry climate has really helped in clearing out the skin, but yet I use a micellar water quite diligently to clear up my acne. Yes, you heard it right. It really helps in clearing out acne because micellar water can act as a toner too. And if you take a little bit like a cotton pad or something and put some micellar water like this, and if you just rub it all over your skin like this, it will remove any residual makeup too, and it will exfoliate your skin really well and help remove those dead skin cells and any sort of dirt, which will prevent your clogged pores from getting even more clogged and remove all the dirt pretty effectively. So it will prevent any future breakouts and help in clearing out the skin eventually through the course of time. See, I am doing this and you can see the dirt it collected. See, some dead skins or even black hairs also it can extract. I don't know about that, but still it really helps in taking out the dirt. This is one beauty hack that I would like to say. I'm seeing here my camera. Anyways, second beauty hack, like it can enhance your look a little bit, make you look fresher. And what I would like to say is about this eye drops. I got from a pharmacy. And I used to do chota mota modeling, so from that I learned, like from a makeup artist, that if you use eye drops in your eyes just before doing your makeup, it will really freshen up the look. You'll feel more awakened, your eyes will pop out. So definitely use these eye drops. They're really helpful. It really makes a huge difference, makes you feel awake. So this was short, yeah. So definitely try this. Next hack is with Vaseline. Actually, the next one also is with Vaseline only. So this Vaseline is very magical. Like, it's a perfume hack. So if you take, it's very common. I think many of you must have seen this kind of hack in many beauty vloggers or influencers videos. So if you take Vaseline, put it in your top knots, like on your skin like this, and your wrist and whatever places you want to put your perfume. Of course, it should not be that sensitive like in your eyes and all. But still, if you apply a little perfume, it will help the perfume to last for a long period of time because of that moisture in the Vaseline. It will help to stick the perfume droplets, so that's really helpful. The fourth hack is with an eyeshadow palette, and again Vaseline. So take some Vaseline onto your lips, okay? Rub it really well, and you can take any eyeshadow, the kind of lipstick that you want to create. Yeah, no need to buy lipstick, just buy an eyeshadow palette. Take any shade. I'll take this brownie shade and put it all over your lips, and you get a nice lip shade, a customized lip shade. See, in a jiffy. And it looks moisturizing, like you applied a lip gloss or a lip balm kind of thing. But, it looks cool. It's quick. I liked it. Last tip is like a hair hack that I use normally. Like, you have to just comb your hair really well and make it into a ponytail, like I'm going to do. My hair is quite, what to say, sticky and oily because I didn't wash my hair for many days, so not look that great. Make a ponytail like this. So now my ponytail looks pretty like dull and doesn't have that much volume. So what I will do is I'll take a claw clip like this and place it here like this. You see, it creates so much volume. Like, I don't have that much long hair, but it will work. This hair will really work well if you have long fluffy hair. Like you can see, it created a little volume on my hair. These were all my hacks. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.